How to split screen inside Davinci Resolve. There's a lot of ways to split screen, but this is one of the easiest one. You can just grab your clips, put it one over each other on video slot number 1 and video slot number 2. Then we can start with the top video, highlight it, go to the inspector and expand the cropping options, which is right here. Then you can use the options crop left and crop right until you have a half of the screen viewer. So I'm starting by cropping the left side and now the right side, making sure my character is in the middle of the screen. Then I'm going on the top side on the position X and I'm dragging it towards the right side, and when it's there I'm adjusting a little bit more the cropping left and right, making sure it's in the exact middle of the right side of the screen. Once we got that out of the way, you can highlight the other video, which is on video slot number 1, and just move the position X onto the left side of the screen, making it a nice and simple split screen. And this is the final result. I hope it was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.